there, little friends! Today, we're going to learn a new letter and meet a fun animal. First, let's draw the letter D together. Awesome! You did a great job! Now, can you guess what animal starts with the letter D? That's right, it's a dog! Dogs are so cool! Can you bark like a dog? Woof! Woof! Oh, look! I think there's a dog right over there! Did you know there are over 340 different breeds of dogs? Each breed has its own unique look and personality. Some dogs can run very fast. Greyhounds are some of the fastest dogs and can run up to 45 miles per hour. Wow! That's fast! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Color Fun Factory for more fun adventures. See you next time!